Today we will be talking about photosynthesis. So photosynthesis for lower sec, the components are not extremely difficult. So some of it you might have even seen it during the primary school period. Okay, let's start off with the basic equations for photosynthesis. We have got carbon dioxide and water, okay, to present your glucose and oxygen. Okay, so from here we can tell one thing is that what the plants are doing is that they are using this light energy to give you glucose, which is a form of chemical energy. Okay, so in terms of the chemical equations, some of y'all might not have to know it currently. So glucose is a chemical energy as mentioned earlier on. The chemical energy aspect here, glucose. Okay, so in terms of writing the word equation itself, so we all know that plants will give out oxygen and they will require carbon dioxide and they take in water as per any normal living thing. So carbon dioxide and water itself, they are taken in. So thereafter you will have the production of glucose molecule. Okay, so glucose, you can tell that it is a C6 here, so therefore just add 6 in front of the remaining chemical components. So how does plants take in the carbon dioxide and water for photosynthesis? So water, it can be through osmosis at the plant roots. Okay? So osmosis itself, this one is the movement of substances. Okay? So transportation will be through the xylem vessels itself. For carbon dioxide is diffusion through the leaves, and where does the leaf, which part of the leaf is at the stomata. So for oxygen, it also enters into the plant itself through the stomata. Okay, so stomata, they are very little small openings that are located over at the bottom of the plant, of the leaves itself. So there will be an opening here, and from this opening in carbon dioxide and out oxygen, and this will happen through the day due to the presence of light. Okay, so what is it about light that enables plant to utilize this light energy to give you your chemical energy? It is due to the organelle called chloroplast. Okay, so chloroplasts, they are organelles that are located in the cell itself. Okay. Whereas chlorophyll, okay, take note difference in the spelling. Chlorophyll is the green pigment which enables plants to be able to convert the light energy into chemical energy. Okay, so this energy is then used to break up the water molecules, okay, so and also to bond the hydrogen and carbon dioxide to form glucose. Okay, so if I write it out, this is how it looks like. So water itself will be broken up to form my oxygen and also my hydrogen components. Okay, so hydrogen will then be bonded together with carbon dioxide. Okay, and once it is bonded, that will give me my glucose, which is C6H12O6. Okay, so in other words, this component of carbon, it comes from the carbon dioxide. Okay, so if there are any changes made to the carbon in carbon dioxide, it will be reflected in the carbon in glucose itself.